We're making jerk pork Scotch eggs. So what we're doing is we have actually have a pot on already. We're blowing down our eggs gently in the bottom of the pot. So it's gonna make it easier when the eggs are boiled, we can pick them much easier. And the temperature is set at about medium, and we only be cooking this for about 6 minutes, and that's a soft boil. If you want a hard boiled egg, you might want to cook it for longer, probably up to, and cook it up to about 9 minutes, 9 to 10 minutes. Give you a nice hard boiled eggs, but we're only cooking it to a soft boil, which is only taking 6 minutes. Okay. Now we put all the eggs in a pot. We're gonna let that cook for 6 minutes. That's all you need, 6 minutes, and that's gonna give you a nice soft boiled eggs. And you wanna get your timer out, your egg timer, and if you wanna probably get set your clock or your watch for 6 minutes, and you wanna take them out. But on the side, you wanna go have your ice water bath just ready enough to stop the cooking process. You want to have it off the side with some ice water, so you can put the egg in them just to cool it down and stop the cooking process. All right. Setup we need for this jerk pork Scotch eggs. So we have gone ahead and we have our eggs already, nicely soft boiled eggs. And what you see here for the camera, we got some flour, we got some egg, we got some breadcrumbs. And we also have, let me put this in focus for you, there's also some sausages. This is the pork that has been seasoned with jerk spice. And you can get that in the local grocery store. And I'll put the recipe in the description down below so you can get the recipe. But we've just gone ahead and put the jerk marinade in the jerk pork sausages. But be careful, because when you're using sausages, already have spice and already. But this is what we have here is only pork that has been unseasoned. So I actually seasoned this from scratch and had the jerk spice to it, or the jerk marinade. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna be taking the boiled eggs, and we're gonna put the egg in the sausage. Okay, the sausage right here. We put a bit of sausage in the middle of your hand, and we press to form like we're making a patty, like we're making a beef patty. What I like to do is press it and get it real thin enough that we can put the egg in the center, but we can fold it right around the egg, so the egg becomes a sandwich like. But be gentle with it, guys, because the egg is really soft boiled, so you want to take your little time. So we form our sausage patty right around the egg, just like that, to form another oval large egg sausage, if you will. Our jerk pork wrap around our soft boiled eggs. We're going to put that in the flour right here. Give this a nice coat. You want to keep one hand dry at all times. So now we have that nicely floured, then straight into the egg wash. We just got the egg beaten. We got in this container here 2 beaten eggs. And so there we have the sausage with our eggs inside. And what we're gonna do is just give it a nice fry until golden brown and a medium flame, like about 350. That's that's it. There you go, guys. That's the perfect Scotch eggs. See that yolk is oozing out? Perfect. And there you go. Happy Easter.